Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about how to use packages and modules. And obviously, if we want to talk about packages and modules, we have to make a new module, I assume. So let's make a new module. And the convention here is to use a prefix. So we say the builder, and then like a description of what the module does. So this is going to be the builder demo, right? And when we run this, we are going to create a new file called go.mod, right? So let's check out what that go.mod file does. Okay, so here we have this go.mod file. Okay, so what do we have in go.mod? We have the module name right here, and we have the minimum version of Go that this will run under, right? So this is going to run for version 1.24.4. Later on, when we start using dependencies, then you're going to see more things appear here. But for now, this is basically all it is. It's just a file that has the module name and it has the minimum version of Go that this will run for. Now I want to take a step back and kind of show you that you can actually split your source code without using new packages, right? So you don't actually need to make a new package to split your source code. So for example, here, if I'll make a new file and I call it like util.go, right? I'm going to do package main. So this is going to be a new util file, and this is going to be per package main. And here I'm going to say var a, and it's going to be integer, which is going to be equal to 42, right? Let's go back and let's actually print this out. Okay, and let's run this. And as you can see, we got 42 back, right? Now, here's the thing. If you want to actually turn this util.go file into its own package, what you can do is you can do this. Make a new folder. So every single package is going to be part of its own directory, right? So you're going to do util, and I'm going to just take this util.go and pull this into this util directory, right? And I'm going to change the package name from main to util, right? Okay, so let's go back. So what I want to do now is I want to import this util package into the main package. And the simplest way to do that is to just do util-a, right? And util should be able to automatically deduce the imports. So I'm using the Z text editor. It's pretty good. I do definitely recommend it. But it didn't import this package for some reason, right? And the reason why is because this here in package util is a lowercase a, right? So any variable symbol, so any symbol that begins with a lowercase is going to be private to this package, right? So it's not going to be visible to the outside world. If you want to share or if you want to export this symbol to the outside world, you would have to make it uppercase, right? Now, this doesn't mean that it has to be all uppercase. It can be like ANS, for example, right? Right. It just has to start with the uppercase character. Okay, so let's try that. Let's go back here, delete this. And as you can see, it automatically imported this util package for me. And if we run this, as you can see, we got 42 back, right? So another thing you can do is you can actually give this a name. So if you want to refer to a instead of through util, you want to refer to it through just like u, for example, you could do something like this, right? So this is going to rename this package import to u, and you can still access it, but using a new symbol like so. Right. So in every single package, you are allowed to define an optional init function like so. This init function will run when this package is imported. So let me show you. I'm going to do fmt print line package util, right? So I'm going to print out package util when this init function gets run, right? Let's go back and let's actually run this. So as you can see, we got package util. So there are situations in which you want to run this init function, but you don't actually need to use anything else from a package, right? So in situations like that, let's say you don't want to use like u.a, right? You don't want to use this whatsoever. It's actually an error to import a package and not use it. So what you want to do is you want to give this an underscore like this, right? So if you give a package import that underscore like so, it's still going to import the package, but it's not going to give you an error if you don't use it, right? So as you can see, FMT is not being used, but this is perfectly fine for me. Let's save this. And as you can see, package util. So this indicates that this util package got run. Anyways, so I think that that's enough for today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you later.